Hi, my name is Ryan from Glitter My World. For next month, we're creating a challenge called the Anime Glitter Challenge. To enter your challenges, use the hashtag superglitters or hashtag bulkglitters. You can also tag us at Glitter My World. Can't wait to see your guys' looks.
Okay, here I'm taking the Shop Mistake concealer and I am just applying that for the base for my shadows to stick on, and I did a cut crease. One of my favorite primers to use is the e.l.f. glitter primer. It's $3 and it works perfect. So I like to put that on the lid first and then use that brush with the Axis primer on it to pick up the glitter, and it helps with the fallout a lot. So I'm just creating my anime eyes, and I just added a huge amount of black liner. This is also one of my favorite foundations. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. So I am applying a lighter shade just to give her a nice pale look for the anime. And I'm just extending the eye to make a big wide eye look, cartoon look. And I'm making a pupil. And I got this inspired look from @Nikki Tutorials in her most recent anime post. And I'm using Miss of the Mint on the eyelids for the glitter. It's a white iridescent glitter. And add some lashes. And I am coloring her eyebrows green just to match her hair a little bit. For the teardrop, I am using Paragon Sky. I love this blue. It is a gorgeous blue. It is an iridescent. Adding a little bit of lipstick here to the lips just to give a nice pale, and I'm adding some white liner to make it look more cartoon-ish. And there you go. Finished look. Can't wait to see your looks for our new August challenge. This is going to be a brand new thing that we're doing every month, so stay tuned for September and moving forward. So make sure that you use the hashtags superglitters and bulkglitters. Also, make sure to tag or specify what color glitters you are using from our line so we can feature that as well. Good luck, and can't wait to see your looks.